Marissa Bacon, and I want to show you some toys
Talk
that I'm
loud.
gonna play. So, a little scrunchie for her hair ball. Rubber band, I think. Oh. A heart bracelet. A heart bracelet for her, or for me. Her. Yeah, her and me.
And her bed, her bird, her little bird toy.
My little bird toy.
Hers.
Mine. It's mine.
Hers. Remember the girl?
Oh yeah. I bought this in June. Tomorrow we're celebrating my brother's birthday. See you better come. Tweet tweet. Here's her bed.
And this is half table, half iPad.
Half table and half iPad.
It doesn't show it here. Show it.
Oh. Half iPad. No. Half iPad. Half table. Wait. Never mind. So those are my favorite that I'm going to do. And it's going to be crazy. And I got to think that one. Bye. Okay? Well, let's get started. Tweet. I want to move.
This is the girl that she has. She's the girl.
I know.
What is that?
Her toys. No, her stuff.
You got high hopes.
Okay, then can belong over here.
No, Marissa, they can't see the table all the way over there. They can't see this all the way over there.
No, wait, that's a little. This is low. Let's put it low.
There, now you can put it there too. No, not too much, not too much. Like that.
Everything looks good, but I'm going to move this right here. I'm going to start here. Hey,
Just put this like over here.
but then my bracelet's coming. Oh, I can bring it on the front over here.
I can move the phone. Want me to move it? Yeah. There, got more space.
I'm going to bed. Oh, wait, I forgot something. Oh, my eyes are closed. Got the bracelet away. My tie away. No, you forgot to eat. Oh, no, I ate over here.
You didn't eat already.
You forgot to eat. I
Let
ate.
me go on my iPad. Go on your iPad for a bit and play with it.
Oh, dang, it's 4 to 11. I gotta be in bed. It's morning. I got school and work. I only got 15 minutes for school and work. Better go. Bye, Dad. Okay, school. Okay, back home. I need to eat dinner. Let me put it on my iPad.
Hurry up because my phone might be dying.
She look like a totally different person, right?
Go to sleep. Oh, wait, where's my thing? Bracelet. Well, that was a good movie, and I finished. So bye, guys. See you tomorrow.